Before the video starts, I must say that I love this phone, this uleFone Armor 70 Pro. Although it looks ordinary, it is actually very interesting. If I had to choose one of the best rugged phones in 2022, Armor 70 Pro would be one of the candidates. The reason I like this phone so much is that as soon as I opened the box, I could feel the thoughtfulness of uleFone. First of all, the charging cable, manual and tempered glass screen protector that comes with most rugged phone are all there. What's also included is a layout and SIM card pick to help you open the SIM card slot. This SIM pick is better than the pray bar because once the pray bar is broken, you can't use it. But this SIM pick allows you to break it at least twice. This charger is also very awesome. We will leave it to the charging part to talk more about it. There's also a special accessory that only Armor 70 Pro has, a wallet with MagSafe. Yes, Armor 70 Pro not only support wireless charging, but also support magnetic wireless charging, meaning it can be used like an iPhone with a magnetic wallet, and it's free. In fact, it's more than a wallet, it's also a phone stand, unfolded like this and it keeps the phone up. Definitely a very handy tool for those of you who love to watch TikTok. If you are interested in MagSafe accessory for iPhone, you can also buy some and install it on Armor 70 Pro. Don't worry, it definitely fits because I put the Armor 70 Pro's wallet on iPhone and it works too. But this free accessory seems to be available only to the first 500 orders, so hurry up and order it if you like it. The Armor 70 Pro's design looks rather normal, but that doesn't mean it's ugly. The back is very simple with a matte carbon fiber textured back panel plus a centered lens module. There's no flashy design, so at least you won't get bored with it after a long time. And it feels great to the touch, very silky smooth. The SIM card slot support 2 SIM cards and 1 TF card. The power button and the fingerprint button are all in one, and there's also an NFC and headphone jack. Even the speakers are stereo dual speakers. The Armor 70 Pro is one of the most fully featured rugged phones I've ever seen. Although the 70 Pro is a rugged phone, but it is only 12.5mm thick and the weight is less than 300 grams, which is a relatively thin and light rugged phone. It not only supports the basic IP68 and IP69K certification, but also has no dust plugs for its port. This shows that uleFone is very confident with the dust-proof capability. If there's dirt on the port, wash and dry it and you can continue to use it. The Armor 70 Pro's camera module is made up of 3 cameras. The main camera is 108 megapixel HM2 and the other 2 are the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a night vision camera. The HM2 is a very good sensor and it will give you a very nice photo most of the time. The most surprising thing is that it has autofocus face detection. Even today, many phones do not have this feature. The 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera doesn't perform as well as the main camera, but considering that some rugged phones don't even have an ultra-wide camera, it's good that 70 Pro has this one. The main use of night vision camera is to take video without light, and outdoor users should be able to use this function frequently. The Armor 70 Pro screen is a 120Hz FHD Plus LCD screen with a Corning Gorilla 5th Gen protected glass. 120Hz screens are rare in rugged phones, and with a 240Hz touch assembly rate, it's already much better than most rugged phones. If you want it to be smooth and power efficient, you can also choose 90Hz. The processor it uses is Helio G99, although a little better than many other rugged phones in the G80 series, but you probably know it based on a benchmark score, still an entry chip. PUBG Mobile, no problem. Genshin Impact, maybe running the lowest graphics. I recommend that you only use it to watch videos or website browsing. With the high refresh rate of the screen, the experience of daily use will be a big step up from other rugged phones. The Armor 70 Pro supports 66 watt of wired charging and 15 watt of wireless charging, and the wired charging power is the fastest of any rugged phone we've ever tested. 38% in 10 minutes and 90% in 30 minutes. This free charger is really great. Not only it is a Type-C port and it supports all the charging protocol, meaning that almost all devices can be charged quickly with it. Normally, such a charger would cost you extra money to buy. uleFone gave it to us for free, which I really didn't expect. So, can you understand why I love it now? It looks like an ordinary rugged phone and there's no fancy design. However, it has MagSafe, it has a magnetic wallet, it has 66 watt charging speed, it has 120Hz screen. These are its unique pros. Especially MagSafe, I never thought there would be this kind of feature on rugged phone, which normal Android phones don't have. It refreshes my perception of rugged phone again. I'm Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.